Everything is illusion of the illusion, of course, because I am illusion. Therefore, my mind perceives me as I, and I am talking to you. So it is illusion of the illusion of the illusion. I give you an example. Whatever I'm saying here, 1,000 people hear it, then individually ask them to write down what did I say. Each one of them will write something slightly different. So it is illusion of the illusion of the illusion. Nothing happens. Because of that, everything can happen. If something is happening, nothing can happen. Because nothing is happening, then everything is happening. There's room for everything. So nothing is happening, ultimately, relatively, everything is happening.